starting with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and benevolent, who taught us the use of pen and created us from drops of blood. After all praises to Almighty Allah, now I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. So as you know, we have started the series of parts of speech. Now it's turn of preposition. So what is preposition? Actually, the word preposition is made of two parts. It is made of two parts. Pre means, which means before, and position, which means to place. Basically, the placement of preposition before noun and pronoun. Okay, definition. Preposition is a word which is used to show the relationship between a noun and pronoun with the rest of the sentence. It shows the relationship of noun and pronoun with the rest of the sentence. How? Let's jump into the examples. Now it will be clear to you. For example, the book is on the table. So here is on is a preposition and it connects, book is noun. It connects this noun with that noun, or you can say with the rest of the sentence. This is rest of the sentence. So this preposition connects noun with the rest of the sentence. Got it? Clear it? Okay. Now let's jump to the next example. She is sitting under a tree. So under here is a preposition and it connects pronoun with the rest of the sentence or with the noun. Tree is a noun. Okay, got it? This preposition, it connects she. It means she is a pronoun. So with the rest of the sentence or with noun. Got it? Another one. The cat jumped over the wall. So over is a preposition here and it connects cat is a noun and with the rest of the sentence. It means this preposition connect cat with the rest of the sentence. And the last one is he is waiting at the bus stop. So at is a preposition and he is pronoun. So it connects he, it means pronoun with the rest of the sentence. It means simply preposition connects noun and pronoun and make relationship or show relationship between noun or pronoun with the rest of the sentence. And so it was all about today preposition. So if you have any kinds of question relating to preposition, so you can comment below and I will answer you. And thank you so much for watching my video.